Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I've got a bit of a problem with my old rusty relic here. So if you can help. The problem I've got, apart from it running like Del Boy's van, hold on, let's turn this off. Dehumidifier. You see, it's missing the sunroof. Now let's show you the problem. Right, here's the main problem. So during the summer, and it's now the 22nd of December, so it's nearly Christmas, I had a day off from the wife and the band, so I thought, there's a bit of bubble rust on my sunroof here, so I thought, I'll take it out, I'll stop it getting any worse, I'm going to wire brush it, paint it, forget about it, should be all nice and clean. So just a hand wire brush, so I got it out and let's show you this. So as I started wire brushing, I started to get these holes. Now this there is the best side. The other side, I've got to be careful with the glass, apparently it's expensive. It's just gone, totally gone. You can see it's all just rotten. Hear it. All along there. So the problem I have is my car there, it's exposing for me. My car there needs your help to have a sunroof. I've been looking on eBay and that, and honestly, it's just a nightmare. So if anyone local in the northeast has a sunroof, it doesn't matter if it's off a 3-door, it can be off anything really, do you know what I mean? I've got the brown glass here, because the brown glass on a 3-door and the green tinted glass on Sapphires and other Sierras. And apparently the brown glass is worth a lot more than the green glass. The green glass. I don't know if you can see the brown tint in that. Looks green there, but believe it's brown. So if anybody can help us, I'm just after a sunroof. It doesn't have to be the full lot, just the frame with the glass. I can take the glass out and swap it. But if you're new to the channel, guys, can you just help us out and just give us a like and subscribe? It really helps us. Oh yeah, I might as well give you a look about the car actually. But let's turn the camera around. Here it is. I've owned this car since I've owned a 14 year. I bought image split rims. Need the tyre blown up a bit, but image 3-piece split rims. Put the BBS badge on. What do you know about my sunroof? That's not rust, that's foam off the headlining. It's got the RS500 top spoiler and bottom. It's got the RS500 front bumper. It's got Christmas toys in the boot. It's got a stainless steel exhaust, and I've also painted up underneath. Do you want to see in the bonnet? So I'll pop it. Alright, what are you doing? 2 seconds. I'll get me focus if it falls, it'll break. RS500 front bumper. These aren't proper grills. They were about 100 quid about 10 years ago. It's got bits of stuff all over it. Needs a clean. Hasn't been washed in a while. Oh, but they were like 100 quid a couple of years ago. They just replaced the fog lights. They're not genuine Ford ones, but they've lasted quite well. Scratched me bumper there, popping up outside my mum and dad's. I've got rocks outside the garden. There we go. It's running about 259 it was last time I got it rolling loaded. There we go. Takes it. Sometimes think of selling it and having a couple of years off work. But I'm just about to take the spark plugs out because it's running like a bag of hammers. If you want, you can stick around while I do it. Want to get a socket? 2 minutes. If you've got a Cosworth, I'm guessing you do your own maintenance, but if you don't, it's a 19mm socket to get your spark plugs out. No, it's not, it's fucking 17. Gotta quickly give me hand to wash before I jump in the car. These are our fish, by the way. T-Rex and Stegosaurus. Right, so I've took the plugs out and cleaned them. I'm going to jump in, start it up, and I've got about 11 minutes before I need to pick my girlfriend and my daughter up. So that's it, guys. You can see, still missing the sunroof. Got the roof line out and everything. But put this back in the garage. Look at this, look at this. Gotta be close, reversing in. Christmas presents in the back. So guys, if you can help us out with the sunroof, I'll leave my Instagram in the description below. Just pop over, drop us a message. If you're local in the northeast, I'd love a sunroof. Do you know what I mean? Just help with that out. If you want to see more videos of my car, if you can help us out, give us a like and a subscribe. Cheers, guys.